Why sauna construction mistakes can end up costing you thousands. One thing people rarely realize when building a sauna is that the biggest mistakes usually don't show up immediately. Everything can look perfect in the beginning. Fresh wood, beautiful lighting, a premium heater, modern glass design. For weeks, sometimes even months, everything feels fine. Then little problems slowly start appearing. The air starts feeling heavier than expected. The heat becomes uncomfortable. The sauna doesn't feel relaxing anymore, even though visually, everything still looks great. And eventually, people say something we hear all the time after working in the sauna industry for more than 25 years. The sauna looks amazing, but something feels off. The truth is, some of the most expensive sauna problems don't happen because people buy cheap materials. They happen because people focus on building a beautiful room instead of building a proper sauna system. A sauna isn't just wood, lights, and a heater placed together. Everything works together. Temperature, ventilation, humidity, materials, heat distribution, and how people are actually going to use the space. When one part is wrong, the entire experience changes. That's why two saunas can look nearly identical and feel completely different. Mistake number 1. Poor ventilation. Ventilation gets ignored far more often than it should. A lot of people assume that if the sauna gets hot, everything must be working correctly. But comfort inside a sauna starts with air quality. When airflow isn't planned properly, the room can start feeling heavy surprisingly fast. Breathing becomes harder, people get tired sooner, some experience pressure in their head, and others overheat much faster than expected. The interesting part is that many people blame themselves. Maybe sauna just isn't for me. But after decades working with sauna projects, we can confidently say that in many cases, the problem isn't the person, it's airflow. Good ventilation changes everything. Mistake number 2. Choosing the wrong heater. Another common mistake happens when people choose a heater based only on power output or appearance. Many assume bigger automatically means better. It doesn't. A heater that's too powerful can create harsh, aggressive heat that becomes uncomfortable surprisingly quickly. On the other hand, an underpowered heater struggles to maintain temperature properly and creates an unstable experience. Choosing the right heater depends on much more than room size. Ventilation matters, glass surfaces matter, building materials matter, even how often the sauna will be used matters. That's why professional planning matters far more than most people realize. Mistake number 3. Saving money on stones. People underestimate sauna stones all the time. Many homeowners see them as decoration. They're not. Sauna stones play a huge role in how heat feels inside the room. They help store heat, stabilize temperature, and create softer steam. When there isn't enough stone mass, heat often becomes sharper, drier, and less comfortable. Good sauna heat shouldn't feel aggressive. It should feel balanced, even, comfortable. Mistake number 4. Too much glass. Glass looks beautiful in modern sauna design. There's no argument there. It creates openness, makes spaces feel larger, and gives a premium look that people love. But glass changes how heat behaves. Large glass surfaces increase heat loss, make heaters work harder, and create bigger temperature fluctuations inside the room. If the sauna isn't properly designed around those factors, comfort starts disappearing. Good sauna design isn't only about appearance. Performance matters too. Mistake number 5. Poor electrical planning. This is one area where shortcuts become expensive later. Saunas combine heat, humidity, and electrical systems in one demanding environment. Poor planning can create unstable performance, equipment issues, and in some situations, safety concerns. Professional installation matters. Proper electrical planning matters. And fixing mistakes later often costs far more than doing it correctly from the beginning. Mistake number 6. Wrong materials. Sauna environments are demanding. Heat exposes weaknesses quickly. Cheap materials often struggle under long-term sauna conditions. Some start warping, others release odors. Certain coatings simply weren't designed for high temperatures. Good sauna materials aren't only about appearance, they're about performance years later. Mistake number 7. No usage scenario. This one surprises people. Before building a sauna, most homeowners think about design. Very few think about lifestyle. How is the sauna actually going to be used? Daily recovery after work, family evenings, sports recovery, stress relief? Because those answers change almost everything. temperature preferences, layout, heater selection, ventilation planning, lighting, even seating positions. After decades working with sauna projects, one thing becomes obvious. People rarely regret building a sauna properly, but they often regret saving money on the wrong parts. A good sauna shouldn't only look impressive, it should feel good every single time someone walks inside. Easy breathing, balanced heat, comfort that feels natural, because the best sauna isn't simply the one that looks expensive, it's the one that still feels amazing years later.